Morning, sir. Minister of Labour. But it's not part of the meeting. Good day, sir. Hello, sir. You are into please.
Go down.
Okay, sit down.
Okay. Okay, down.
You okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So we go.
Yeah.
They discussed on issues of Nigerian economy, issues of welfare of workers, and the various reforms going on, issues of security, national security, and other developments in the country. And all of them agreed that national unity is very critical. And our national interest is also very important. And that the march towards economic prosperity by a president is a welcome idea. And at the end of the meeting, we also discovered that there is need for regular engagements with the Nigerian Labour Congress, between Labour and government.
The action started this morning, and we are rounding up now. We'll take back whatever we discuss with them to our members.
Fantastic.
And the attitude of meeting at the day or at the eve of any action is not rocket science that action will be put off, even if you give us that money that day. Because it takes a lot to demobilize after mobilizing. But even what we got is like promissory note. And we want to have confidence in the governors that it will be delivered. However, Mr. President was emphatic that the issue of insecurity will be a thing of the past very soon. And that he's taking extra steps to take care of it. All areas we raised. And we equally talked about financial insecurity. Because a worker that is not well fed, that is not well paid, will have even more problems than the one that is kidnapped. And Mr. President said he has put Nigeria at the map of prosperity. And we agreed that we are going to meet in January to look at some gray areas and where we need to touch, which will equally translate to prosperity of the working people of Nigeria.